Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we take the guesswork out of online shopping. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best skin icing facial tool available right now. The Arctic Flex Ice Cups and Roller. Whether you're looking to elevate your skincare routine or simply give your face a refreshing wake-up call, this could be your new go-to. The Arctic Flex Ice Cups and Roller is a portable face icing tool that brings spa-level cryotherapy right into your hands. Designed with simplicity and comfort in mind, it offers a natural way to reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and even tackle the look of fine lines and wrinkles, all with the power of ice. Right out of the box, you get 2 ice cup roller molds. That's right, 2. That means you'll always have one ready in the freezer while the other is in use. And freezing these is a breeze. Just fill, twist the mold together, and in about 4 hours, you'll have a perfectly shaped ice dome ready to go. Each mold is designed with a secure nesting system that separates easily with a twist, so there's no frustration when it comes time to use it. Let's talk about how it feels in your hand. The design is ergonomic, with a 2.9-inch diameter that fits comfortably in most hands. The base has a textured, non-slip grip so you don't have to worry about the cold affecting your hold. Plus, the interior is lined with small spikes that keep the curved ice in place. No awkward slipping or sliding, just smooth, controlled application. Using it is incredibly simple. Once your ice is frozen, insert it into the removable base, and you're ready to roll, literally. Glide it gently across your face in upward motions. Focus on areas that tend to puff up, like under the eyes or along the jawline. You can also use it on sore muscles or to soothe tension headaches, anywhere that needs a little icy love. And don't worry about durability. These aren't single-use molds. Made from tough polyethylene, they're built to last through multiple freeze and use cycles. This makes them not only effective but environmentally friendly as well. No batteries, no cords, no noise, just you and a natural remedy for tired, stressed-out skin. It's portable, too. Perfect for travel, gym bags, or tossing into your overnight kit before a big event. Behind this product is a company called Vive Health, a trusted, family-owned brand that prioritizes comfort, safety, and customer satisfaction. They even back their ice cups with a 60-day guarantee, which shows a lot of confidence in the quality and effectiveness of their design. To wrap things up, the Arctic Flex Ice Cups and Roller is a thoughtfully crafted skincare tool that offers tangible benefits with minimal fuss. Whether you're prepping for makeup, recovering from a workout, or simply enjoying a self-care moment, this tool does the job, and does it well. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more smart buying advice. See you next time.